Go.
Something.
Oh, no, you have to say more than something. So
You
what
said
have we
I had to say something, so I said something.
Okay, so what do we
so
have
something.
here? We have this package. And
Okay,
Da-da-da-da-da.
listen. What we have here is we have a box. I'm so excited to open it because my good friend Diane Martin is my pattern tester and she makes samples for me of some of these quilts. She does a fabulous job. I love her to death. Anyway.
Lots of love, Diane.
Yeah. Anyway, Pesha's behind the camera. Hi, Pesha.
Hi.
Anyway, she sent this quilt. This quilt is done by Diane. It's called Fine China by Darlene Zimmerman for Robert Kaufman. And it features Kona's Color of the Year 2021 Horizon. And it is such an awesome quilt. It is so fabulous.
What if I may ask, what are we going to do with this now that we have it?
We're going to hang it in the shop. And then we're going to make some kits with it. So if people want kits, they can pick up kits from us with all the fabrics. It'll be so good. It's a free pattern by Robert Kaufman. I think we actually
Dun, 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 dun.
oh, she did this really well.
Dun,
Oh,
dun, dun,
I forgot about this one. This,
dun, dun, dun,
wait a minute, I'm gonna show you. This is a fun one. This
It's just not what you said.
is
no,
not,
it's the second
this,
one.
It's
There's two.
underneath. Wait a minute. This is our quilt. Diane made the quilt for me. I designed it. It's called Argyle Party, and it features Kona cotton solids. It is so awesome. Look at this quilt. It's gorgeous. Look at that. It's beautiful. Woo! Oh, she did a great job. This is gorgeous.
How did she do this?
She just did a meandering. She long-armed it, but she did a meandering stitch. It is so gorgeous. Look at this. This is Argyle Party, everybody. Oh, by the way, the Argyle Party pattern is coming out on our page and on our website. It's probably out on our website already, but we'll put the pattern up on the page so you can see it. So that is, I forgot about this one. So this is like really cool. This is a treat.
This is the pattern you did.
This is the pattern I made.
And it's for sale on the website shortly. Look at that.
Not the finished quilt,
just the pattern. And then you can make it the colors of your choice.
And we'll kit it for you if you want it.
Yeah, look at that. Nice color choice.
Gorgeous. Woo.
Look at that.
That is so beautiful. Love it. Okay, now I'm going to move this out of the way so we can get to the fun one that I actually thought was on top.
And if you're curious, this is the studio that's some of the things that's just coming together.
Yeah,
you can take a look. We've got finally got the new cutting station all finished the way she likes.
Okay, here it is. The other quilt in there is just a charity quilt that Diane sent, but here is Fine China.
And this is a Kaufman pattern?
No. Well, yes, it's a Darlene Zimmerman pattern, and it's on the Robert Kaufman site. It's also on our website. It's a free pattern. Got a little piece of fuzz here. Oh, this is such a beautiful quilt. Oh, so gorgeous.
Look at the pattern. Let's see, open it up. Let's see the pattern.
I'm going to hold it by the blocks, not by the border, so we don't stretch it out.
It's because this still needs to be quilted. This is just the quilt top, just to
top.
play out the pattern.
It needs to be quilted.
Oh, look at that.
Pull it out.
Oh, that is an awesome pattern.
Oh, isn't that beautiful? This is this quilt is Fine China. It's called Fine China. You can find it on our website, and it is features the Horizon Blue Kona Cotton Color of the Year 2021. It also has white and robin egg. So yeah.
Do we carry all the colors?
I am getting the robin egg Kona color in probably within the next week and a half.
Oh,
so
amazing.
I do have the horizon and I have the white. So
you know, you
yes,
can go on our website and we can hook you up.
Yes, we can.
Or any color of your choice, correct?
Any
Okay.
kind of color you
Yeah,
choice, we
there you
can
go.
pick, yeah.
Let's go pattern. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.